students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about management of nausea and vomiting in pregnancy. So during pregnancy, the persons they are telling जो mothers है वो हमें क्या बोलती है maximum कि मुझे morning sickness हो रही है, सुबह उठते ही vomit करने का मन करता है. So what is the main cause of that lead to nausea and vomiting during pregnancy? It is high level of HCG and estrogen that are raised during pregnancy. So the most common cause of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy is high level of HCG and estrogen. So जो ये nausea vomiting हो रहा है हम बोलते हैं कि till 3 months it will be occurring, after that it is disappearing. So mainly it has been seen that the most of the females it is occurring before 3 months and after that it is disappearing. So it may disappear after 12 to 14 weeks of gestation. जो वॉमिटिंग इन प्रेगनेंसी ऑल्सो नोन एज एमेसिस ग्रेविडेरम, जो सिंपल वॉमिटिंग है. तो सिंपल वॉमिट का मतलब क्या है कि मदर को ज्यादा मतलब वॉमिट नहीं हो रही है, बस ऐसे नॉर्मल मॉर्निंग सिकनेस हो रही है. सो दैट इज सिंपल. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द मैनेजमेंट फॉर दैट nausea and vomiting? First we have to assure the mother. Assurance के लिए हम क्या बोलेंगे? That it is occurring 90% of the females, so no issues, it will be settled down as you are taking care for yourself. तो सेकेंड थिंग इज nausea and vomiting. It is said that it is feto-protective. तो फीटस को भी प्रोटेक्ट करती है, जो मदर के अंदर बेबी ग्रोइंग है उसको हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती है. सो इट इज सेड दैट इट इज feto-protective. Next is dry toast or biscuit in the morning. So whenever the mother is waking up in the morning, so first we have to tell the mother to eat dry toast or biscuit. Do not take liquid diet. Whenever she is waking up in the morning, tell her to eat the dry toast. Second is avoid fatty and spicy food as it will lead to मतलब indigestion, and that may lead to acidity, that may lead to burning sensation, that may lead to nausea and vomiting. So avoid fatty and spicy food. Supplementation of vitamin B1, that is 100 mg daily, that should be given. Antiemetic drugs, that means the drugs that reduce vomiting, that may be given if it is uncontrolled. That means asparagine, that is 1 mg BD, or promethazine, ondansetron. These are the safe drugs that can be given during pregnancy. Tell the mother to have plenty of fluids, that means at least 2.5 liter in 24 hours. Because if the vomiting it is occurring, तो उससे क्या होगा, हमारा fluid electrolyte imbalance होगा, dehydration होगा. So for that we have to tell the mother to have plenty of fluids along with the fruit juice. So this is the management of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. Hope so you guys understood this management. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.